Hello friends, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your instant whitening soap. This soap will whiten you in 10 minutes. I'll be making use of few ingredients and I'll show you guys how you can do yours. Stay put and do not go anywhere. Okay, for the instant whitening soap, I'll be making use of my Irish potatoes. I'll take out the back, then grate. The water that comes from it is what I need for the soap. Also, I'll be using my almond oil for today's soap. Then for the base soap, I'll be using my Gluta C and E Kojic Acid Plus Whitening Soap. That's what I'm going to use for today's whitening soap. And I'll be using my Egyptian talking oil. So let's start with the process. I'll take out the peels of my Irish potatoes. I'm making use of 2. Irish potato whitens your skin instantly. A lot of people do not know the benefits of Irish potato. It's a very good whitening agent. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. It will help whiten your skin as fast as possible. So having done that, I'm going to wash it, then grate. Having washed it, then using the smoothest part of your grater. You can also use a blender to do this, but I want to use my grater. So I'm going to use the smoothest part of the grater to grate in order to extract the juice from these potatoes. If you're using your blender, also make sure you do not add water. You see why I am using grater. If you're using blender, you may be forced to add water to be able to blend it. So I would prefer to use my grater to extract my juice. See, the juice is already coming out. To put this in a plate, then use my cheesecloth to extract the juice. Now the next thing I'll be doing is to grate my soap. I'm using Gluta C and E, Kojic acid plus. Please make sure you get the original. If you don't get the original, it's not going to work. So I'll grate my soap, then using my microwave, I will melt the soap. So I really do not need to grate the soap into very smooth size. I'll just grate it anyhow since I'm going to pop it into the microwave. This soap smells very good, and it's very good for the face and for the body. Okay, how about I finished with my grating? I'll pop this into the microwave to melt the soap. I will microwave my soap. You can see how it came out. You have to be careful so it doesn't dry out. Then I'll be adding my already squeezed out potato juice. I'll add that. You have to make it quick so the soap doesn't harden back. Then add a tablespoonful of your Egyptian talking oil. Then 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is an aromatic oil and is good for exfoliation, good for cleansing of the skin. Mix properly. You can use your stick blender. pour into your soap mold and leave it for 12 hours to form back to a soap. Then you bring it out. I usually leave this soap for 3 days before I use, so you can also do that. So guys, I will see you when this soap forms, and I will show you how mine looks like. Okay, guys, you can see how my soap turned out. I hope yours turns out better.